In this session, we will learn how to perform simple queries with the XEVMPD data entry tool and advanced queries. We will start with a simple query to look for Antepsin tablets 500 mg in the product report database of the XEVMPD. So we go into the XEVMPD. We reset application if we have any work that was done previously, and we go into the section products. We make sure that authorized medicinal products line is selected on the tree view, and then we type in the simple query window Antepsin and then enter on the keyboard. So we would like to look at the last product, Antepsin tablets 500 mg. So we click once in the select box, and after a few seconds the product is visible in the tree view area as imported. Once you select the product, you can see here on the active area all the information that has been entered about this product. And if you expand the tree view by clicking in the little plus square to the left, you can see the marketing authorization holder of this product. Then if you look at the pharmaceutical products, you see it only contains one tablet. If you expand tablet, you can expand and see the routes of administration, the ingredients. And if you look on the ingredients, you can see the concentration details of the ingredients. Then you can see the drug ATC codes. And this probably was an older product, since it doesn't have a drug indication coded. So this is how you do a simple query and read information about an authorized medicinal product. If you click clear, it's telling you no elements marked as deleted. So what does that do? If you go one line up, you have the result. You uncheck the box and then you click clear, and that will remove from your tree view Antepsin. We now want to look at the paracetamol abstract composition and drill down to the product report database. What is this exercise useful for? It allows to see what products are in the product report database, and we select abstract composition on the tree view, and then in the simple query window we type paracetamol and enter on the keyboard. This may take some time. So sorry for the delay. This is not a normal server response time. So now we have a result. We select it by clicking in the select box. And it has loaded in the preview. We can see what are the abstract strengths associated, the abstract formulation associated. If we are looking at the paracetamol tablet abstract formulation, we see what abstract pharmaceutical products are in there. So if we look at the paracetamol 500 mg tablets, we now move from the scientific product database to the product report database, and here you have all the products, and you can read them and expand them on a tree view as we did previously. Now we click Reset Application and we would like to do an advanced query to find and view the full presentation name and the marketing authorization holder name for all the authorized medicinal products that contain the substance digoxin. So for this purpose we go into the section Products. At the bottom of the tree view you have the advanced queries that we expand, and in authorized products we have fields, conditions and results. So fields are all the elements that you would like to display when the results are presented. So we want the full presentation name, so we select this field, and we want the marketing authorization holder name, and we select this field. Never select all the fields or else the query will not return results. And notice there is a default selection, so if you don't select any fields yourself, then the default selection will be applied when the results are returned. We want to specify also the condition that the substance name is digoxin. So we scroll down until we find the substance. What's the difference between the substance name and substance code? Substance code opens the search module, substance name opens the text field. So if you write digoxin in the search window and then type enter on your keyboard, you find digoxin, you double click on it, and then you click run. So you notice that in addition to your full presentation name and MAH name, you have nullified information checked and the EV code of these products, and then you have full presentation name and MAH name. You can resize them like in Excel. If you click on the title of the fields, it's sorting them as alphabetically. And now we would like to do a modification of an advanced query. We want to see for the same condition also the authorization country displayed in addition to the full presentation name and the MAH name. So how you can do that? You can click on Modify, and this will take you to Fields. Now you see your last selection indicated. So again we reselect the full presentation name, the MAH name, and the authorization country. The condition is the same, substance digoxin, and we click Run to get a new set of results, where you now see also the authorization country in addition to full presentation name and MAH name. How to handle queries that return more than 50 results. For this we are going to look for the full presentation name, product short name and MAH name for all the medicinal products which are authorized and have the pharmaceutical form tablet. So how to do that? First we go to fields. So what we want is full presentation name, product short name and MAH name. Then we go on conditions, and we have to be careful to remove the condition with the substance being digoxin. Otherwise we are going to look for all the products which contain digoxin and are tablets. And we look for the field pharmaceutical form. We type enter, this displays the search screen, and in there we write tablet and hit enter on the keyboard. We double click to select tablet and then we click run. We receive a prompt saying that only 50 results can be displayed. We click OK, and what we see is a page of results. If you see the number, it starts from 1 and it goes all the way to number 50 at the bottom of the page. So what can we do from here? If we want to go to the next page, it will take us to the next 50 results if there are more than 50 to display. If we click this arrow, we add the next page of results to this page. So if we click this, we will now have from number 1 all the way to number 100. If we would have clicked the arrow pointing right, we would have seen on this page from number 51 to 100 instead of 1 to 100. So we look at another exercise here. How to export to Excel all of your organization's products. For that, what we do is we go into fields, and here you define what you would like to see on your Excel file. For example, the full presentation name, the authorization country, the authorization procedure, number, MRP number, MAH name. You can select what you would like. Then in conditions, first of all, we remove the previous condition, which was tablet, and we tick the box called owned. And then instead of clicking run, we click on run to Excel. Then in this temporary window that opens, we click where indicated and we open the Excel file. You may not be able to see the Excel file on your screen, but when you do this, you are able to export this file and save it as an Excel workbook. And one last thing about the query is that when you have several results, they are indicated with the date and time, but you see in the active area what are the fields, and in the bottom of your screen you see what was the condition. So this is the first one for digoxin, and the last one was the one where pharmaceutical form was tablet. Then what can you do from these results? Rerun will do the same query again. So if there are new products that have been inserted in the XEVMPD with the same conditions, then you will have a fresh list of results. Modify takes you to field. Delete removes the line of results from your tree view. So if I select the second one, run at 11:08, and I click delete, it disappears from the tree view. I can export to Excel. I can say I select number 1 and number 3, and I click export to XML or RTF, so I can have the choice of having one XML or one RTF file for each of them, or one containing both. If I click on reload, it allows me to take a copy of all the selected products and perform one of these operation types. If I click on load, it will import on the tree view both products if I click all the marked entities, or number 3, which is selected and also highlighted. And these buttons here are select all, deselect all.